Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, just a quick review, just a simple review of the my Orient Bambino. Yeah, my Orient Bambino. As you can see, this is the upgrading movement. Yeah, the correct name, the movement is F6724. Okay, but this is not with the display case back. So yeah, this solid case back. But I do have the caliber photo. So as we can see over here, it's very nice. Orient claimed that the new generation, the all new generation of caliber is upgrading in the time accurate, in the component, the parts, it all is upgrading. And then we have the rotor is decorate, as we can see, F6724 Japan, very nice. And we have a decoration all over the rotor. Okay, very nice. And we have a hacking second function, the features, and we also have the manual winding, very nice. I'll just let you can see the sound. See, I believe you guys can hear the winding sound. Very nice. I love the dome crystal. Very nice. 40.5 millimeters, 21 lug width. The railroad chaptering is give a very deep vintage feel, and the blue hands, very nice. Let's try on my wrist. Very nice. Very nice. The vanilla cream down is stunning. Very nice. Very nice. Right, this is my sharing for today. Yeah, so any question, you guys can just comment below and subscribe and give a like. Yeah, so yeah, thank you. Bye bye. I'm Xiao Gang. Bye.